Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I can see it.
Okay, post this live. Good job, Malika. Woo! And now we are searching for the Kate Spade store at North Park, and we're gonna shoot the campaign. I'm so excited. I'm excited to see what they pulled for me. I like sent them over some of my selects before this, so I'm excited to see what's in there, and then also like what I find, you know? And also like what I'm about to gift to my people. So it should be fun. We'll take you guys with us though. My nails are popping off left and right. Don't ask me why it's a situation.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to do stories because I'm in my outfit number 1.
Yeah. Already. So if we do regular walking, you could do that.
I was gonna do like a
posing.
boring thing.
Oh yeah, you
so we can do like a pole above head, like be like shoes or jacket, or it could be shoes, jacket, or coat. Like they have to pick which one they would get.
Let me do it far enough so that the pole.
Let me get the shot.
You better have.
One thing about me is I'm always booked and busy through the holiday season. So your girl is headed to Kate Spade, New York to see what she can find. Can we talk about how beautiful and festive the store looks? I literally had to grab my favorites and head to the dressing room immediately. So I practically screamed when I saw this teddy coat. I had to put her on. And this outfit is giving cozy, comfy, cute, all at the same time. I love this for me. You also know your girl is obsessed with feathers. So when I saw that they had a feather matching set and it came in the dress form too, I just can't decide between the two. Oh my God, y'all, I need to chug some water because these decisions are stressful. I think I have to leave with a few things because the jewelry, bag, shoes, and the clothes are giving versatile and sophisticated energy. I even found the perfect gift for a friend too. All in all, Kate Spade New York has you covered for the holidays and special gifts for your loved ones. Let me know which outfit you think I ended up leaving with. Anthony, what did you make?
Beer tacos.
Shay's about to try it. Here we go. Closing.
Fire.
Fire?
Fire.
Aww. You hear that, Aunt? She said fire.
Really good job.
Never doubted it.
The cockiness, bro. The cockiness.
Yeah. Fun fact about Anthony though, he's really good with like spice concoctions.
Yes. He's a spice man.
Yeah.
As I'm bald.
Old peppers.
Y'all haven't seen me. My hair's gone. I cut it all off. Just kidding. Got a little braid down for the shoot tomorrow. Derica's here. If y'all know, I'll put in her little handle here. She does my hair all the time. So if you're in Dallas and you're looking for somebody, you know where to go. You know
also,
what?
There are people asking who does her hair when it's like styled for real. Derica has been tagged.
Oh yeah. And they still ask.
That's why I'm looking at y'all.
You know where.
She is tagged, y'all.
All the time.
Picture.
Tap the picture.
If
Description
you
box.
tap the picture, guess what? Half of your questions, I promise, will be answered.
I think she's triggered, bro.
I am triggered.
I think she's triggered. Listen.
Wait, who did the hair? What, bro?
Oh yeah, and even when you like tag them in the video, like on TikTok, they'll still say like, "Whose is this? Like, who did this?" And I'm like,
it could be a lipstick campaign. What's the lip?
what does everyone think? What do you think the price of this little car is?
Is it
5200.
Mercedes?
That's like 10.
What yours is?
5200.
Okay.
5221.
Okay.
Okay, wait. They're typically like $150 to $300. If there's Swarovski crystals on there.
Congratulations, bro.
Oh, you know that they're usually that much money.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't.
Except the expensive cars ones are up there.
So, final number?
I want to reduce mine.
11.
11,000.
Oh, I say 10,000.
10,000, bro. You guys, it's $32,000 for this little car. For this thing.
It's a kid car.
Whose kid?
Smaller than the
Whose
ones that
kid?
have 300.
Whose kid?
32,000 or 3,200?
$32,000
Yeah, there's
for
Christmas
this
bro.
car. $32,000, bro. You can have a real car.
I'm gonna throw up.
You can have a sick car for $32,000. I'm gonna throw up. This is disgusting. America. America has a problem. Okay, so now we have a Smeg Voov mini fridge.
Bro, I can't.
Okay, this is a fire little mini fridge. You have this at your house, you're that girl. Like, this is the theme I want for my birthday party. 30th is a Voov birthday party. And now there's a mini fridge. Anyways, what's your number? Say
What
your
is a
number.
normal Smeg though?
Good, like, sunrise, sunset color.
Okay, what's your number? What's your number?
I'm gonna guess.
I don't know how much
I'm gonna guess
Smeg
it's
is.
17
That's fine.
17,500.
17,000? Okay.
Am I way down?
It's with Voov, dude.
My car was 32.
It's like
You didn't
I
see
say raise the
more?
prices
You
everybody.
didn't see more.
I don't know.
less than the
Can't
car.
say anything.
It's for sure less
All
than
right,
the
I'm
car.
gonna go to 27.
27,000?
27. 27.5.
20. I don't know how much Smeg
20,000?
is. I have no point of reference.
Okay, we'll see. Derica, you have the last and final say.
40,000.
$40,000 going once.
Oh my
Going
god,
twice.
yo.
Guys, it's only $5,000, $999. Wait.
The fact you said only, I should punch you.
I was all the way out, but that's too expensive.
Did you say 5,000, 99,000?
You hear me? I couldn't even say the number. $5,999. Doll hairs. It wasn't as bad as the car, but still bad.
A camp director. I was an assistant camp director, and then I moved up to a camp director.
Wow. I love a good promo.
Kids, hello. So, which is really funny, this summer, all of my cousins and international cousins like came in, and I hosted them in my tiny apartment.
You like to do that.
Yeah, I loved it, but I just didn't realize how small my apartment was until all the bodies were in there. Because typically it's like me and Nala, and I'm like, wow, there's so much room in here. When you put blow-up mattresses and bodies, you're just like, just kidding. Did you tell them what we're doing today yet?
Yeah, they know we're going to shoot Kiss. But let me double check this is the right CVS.
That makes
Okay,
so much more
well,
sense.
let's hope whatever this thing is that we're
No, no
looking for
problem.
is festive.
Better be in stock.
Or it's going to be about this face, the moneymaker.
Are we finna Amazon some stuff?
Ah, good.
Okay.
Wish us luck. Guys, it's fucking hot. What's the date today? This is ridiculous. It's November 9th. It literally feels like 90 degrees and I'm in full-blown leather and boots. I'm really, like, Dallas, you can't do this to us. This is ridiculous. Shay's over there in the wilds. See her way over there getting the sign? We gotta get the sign so they know we're at CVS. Now we got all these people walking through, so we gotta wait. These guys, they just want to be in my shot. You guys don't know this, Malika is new to the team. Third week. You're not so new anymore. She's almost a month in. Woo, 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 woo. And then she gets to go on Thanksgiving break, right, when she hits a month, which will be good, so she could, you know, reset before we jump in. But today we're having her train on filming. Yay. And she's doing so good. I know that you're nervous, but you're crushing it. Okay. She's crushing it. She's literally doing an antsy dance, like. She's doing great, sweetie. Anyways, we're waiting for Shay. We're gonna take some pictures and I'll insert pics so you guys can see how they come out. But the display looks actually good. It looks really good on video. Like, I feel like it looks good. We're gonna buy 2 press-ons. When you're filming a campaign and they ever make you get something in store, get multiples of whatever's in store in case they make you reshoot. And then all of a sudden you come back and the things you need aren't here. At least you can bring the thing in.
The thing you need is never back.
What do we got?
Okay, so I have potential looks here in the front.
Okay, I love that.
These are still pieces that we can play with or figure out what to do. And then obviously we have this, and we can do those with the heels.
Yes, yes.
And then we have
These together. I need to get my dunks.
Yes,
right?
the panda.
Panda dunks. This is cute. This is really
sophisticated.
cute. So sophisticated.
And then
I gotta see what little heel maybe I can do with
you have
that.
a kitten heel?
I might.
Something like that.
I have a bow heel.
Yeah.
That bow heel I showed you maybe could be cute with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a fun shoe. Mm-hmm. That's what I got so far.
Love it. Into it. All right, y'all. The looks are coming together. Malika is in the living room right now taking pictures of the looks she's actually put together. She put a lot of these together. We kind of talked through everything, but I'm gonna give her the full credit. The girl knows what she's doing. And now I'm finishing the Kiss campaign and applying the nails that we filmed earlier today. So I'm finishing out the campaign right now while she takes pictures of all the looks. And then tomorrow I will try everything on and make sure it's all good. And then I'll film the looks probably for TikTok too, I'm thinking. This fit. Can we talk about this? This top is so cute. It laces wherever you want it to lace it. So you can have a little boob moment if you want. And we're going to pair it with these jeans that are like slit on the side. And then if you see over there, there's like a pair of orange heels. And then this beautiful Brandon Blackwood bag. Look at the way she's holding it. Period. Period. Dainty.
Watermelon. Okay.
So cute. You guys are getting your first glimpse. And then these little like Zara kitten heels. So we're gonna have 2 little pops of color. Oh, and we have shades. We did not even sleep on the shades. The Lorave shades. Diarra, I know if you're even watching this, you know who Diarra is. And if you don't, how do you not know her?
Yeah.
YouTube
Get your
girlies
life
all know her.
figured
Get
out.
your life together. But those are her shades. So we're gonna pair them with the orange shades, the Brandon Blackwood bag, and then the Zara heels. It's gonna be a vibe. This one I'm really excited for. Going to a gala. I'm a nominee at a gala, so I gotta get my dress right. If you guys are wondering where we're getting our dress altered at, we are at Red Carpet. Taylor. About to put on the dress, and then we'll show you guys the process. You guys can get a sneak peek at the dress. I haven't showed nobody the dress. She already has her dress.
I do.
Wait, did you get it in the mail?
No, not yet. It's
Oh,
coming
okay,
this
okay, okay.
weekend.
Are you gonna have to bring it here?
I don't think so.
Okay.
If I do,
Mine's
be
big.
here. Oh, is it? How big is it?
It's somewhat big because I think I got it a little bit bigger because I thought my boobs might be a situation. So we're gonna fix it up. But the length is perfect.
Okay, so what is it? Yeah.
Just here.
Length is good?
Length is
so
great.
I'm gonna mark it from this side and that side.
Okay.
And you tell me if that's what you want.
Okay, cool.
More, a little bit less, we'll go for it.
Okay, cool.
Alright?
Yay! It looks really good. I'm excited to wear it.
Hello guys, how you doing?
It's YouTube. They'll come and I'll make sure to drop your little information in there.
Yeah, you're
So if they know to come,
they know where I need to go.
yeah,
But it's
because I've been
hard to
looking
kill.
for you. Listen, I have a lot of work
I've
for
been
you,
here.
my friend.
Anything you need.
I didn't know you were here. She found you.
I found
You
you.
did? There
Yeah,
you go, thank you.
and then I was like,
Okay, we need you over here, not her.
and I was like, man, now I got work for you. I'm gonna be back.
There
You
you
got a
go.
lot of clothes.
That's all in here. Please, when we get to charging hair, turn off the camera. I don't want the person to go everywhere.
That dress was everything.
Yep, that's not ready for you.
All right, y'all.
think I'm
So
full.
we're at the Dolphins Hotel.
No,
with
I
Shay.
can't.
She got invited to some fun event, and she has the Elastigirl boots. You guys remember I struggled putting them on the way to ATL. Have you put them on your feet before?
At the store.
Okay, well at least at the store.
Oh, one's on.
That's good, man. See, I didn't even. You guys saw me
And it's
struggle last time.
the bigger foot. Fun fact, guys. Not that you guys care. One of my
Can you go
my,
forward a little bit?
What
Yeah,
foot is
she's
this?
got it. She's got it.
My left foot is bigger than my right foot. By like a
That's a lot of
smidge.
people, though. I feel like a lot of people can relate to that.
Yeah, it's for sure a lot of people.
It's a real
Wait,
thing.
Okay, hand me the other one.
Oh, fuck. Got it.
Yeah, my left foot's bigger than my right foot. So if it's on my left foot. No,
Oh God, sir, don't come here yet.
Don't.
Distract
Like,
this
literally?
man. We're not ready. Distract. We're at the valet line, and you know when you freaking valet comes, and they're literally like ready to take your keys and take your car, and you're like, I gotta put on my shoes. Like this happens
Not
to me.
stuffing.
Oh stop! Not having stuffing in there. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This guy's coming in.
Just
like,
just go.
Just go.
Anybody go. Anybody.
People behind it.
Yes.
Shit. She for sure is gonna have this valet come
All
up
these
the
people
window.
are gonna. This is my rule. If you're a valet person or you know, I feel like if it's a girl driving, they should give you 3 seconds.
Yeah, because we're not gonna drive in our heels, and most of us are wearing them.
Fudge cakes.
Fudge cakes. Oh yeah, Shay doesn't have a potty mouth like me, so she's always coming up with new lingo.
If you ever hear me cuss, I have to be like,
it has to be like mad,
so
like,
mad,
I don't
or
even think I've seen you cuss.
you
ever.
have. I'm either mad or I'm like, so and so said this. Like it's me like telling a story.
She doesn't make me feel bad for my potty mouth. She
No.
lets me live. But you just heard that fudge cakes? I'm about to start saying that. Fudge cakes.
Fudge cakes.
Fudge cakes.
Okay, we're on.
Answer's like, Joe, are you in period? You want a fudge cake? What's wrong with you?
Hey, wait.
Look at this guy looking at us. Not him making a face already like, oh God, what is wrong
Are
with
they
men? No, I think he was just making a
Should I
face like
bring
he
these?
saw us. Yeah, why not? If you need a little moment.
A little moment.
Everyone deserves a little moment. I'm gonna take a selfie. I won't look as good as I look in this camera, though. That's the thing. This camera, I don't
Your
know
makeup
what's
looks good.
on
What
here.
you talk about on live? I couldn't even
Oh, all the love stories. I told them about my love story. I told them about my parents' love story. Told them about yes, love stories.
That's so cute.
It was so good. It was a good live sesh, honestly. It was a really good time. But I didn't save it because, you know.
What thingy were you on?
I went on Instagram.
Wow.
And I never go over there. But you know what? We had a great conversation over there. Everyone was like, damn, asking all kinds of questions. It was Liddy, actually.
This is the thing.
And I'm like, I love that your car, her car literally says, did you forget anything? Everyone out of the vehicle? Like,
No, bro, we're still here.
This car has a personality.
Yeah, it cares.
Y'all wearing a freaking igloo? In Dallas, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's giving. And there's free burgers, free drinks. I don't know where Shay took me, but I'm not mad at it.
Oh,
The
no,
cutest little
bruh.
reef, and it's the fireplace for me. The fireplace. What? What? I think we wanted to do this last year, but then like I don't know what happened. We didn't do it.
First of all, there's 4 igloos. I think here and another place in Dallas do the igloo on the rooftop thing, but like you have to reserve them for a certain amount of time, and I think you have to spend a certain amount of money. It's like a whole thing, but like
We got them for free.
first of all,
Cheers to
second
that.
of all, cheers. But I think if you haven't been to Dallas yet, there's a very prestigious area, and I feel like unless you know, you don't know.
Yeah.
This is one of those hotels, like unless
Oh
you,
yeah,
if you
yeah.
don't know, you don't
Like
know.
there's a Neiman Marcus fashion show happening in the lobby right now.
Yeah, I definitely lied to the guy downstairs. He's like, are you here for Neiman Marcus?
And we just like said, yeah, valet our car by, but we got our car valeted too,
We
so
did.
now we don't have to do that. Cheers to that.
winning. A win is a win.
A win is win.
A win is a win.
I'm gonna try this burger though. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, the bread's already good. I know. I can already. I know.
Grilled onions, just
Grilled
for me.
bun,
Just for me.
hot cross buns.
Hot cross buns.
This fireplace is sending me.